Hello guys, do you have spots on your face? Acne spots, dark circles under your eyes, any kind of spot, guys. You just need 2 ingredients. This is what I've been using. But before I continue with this video, support my channel by clicking the subscribe button, like this video and share with your family and friends. Now let's get started. Guys, all you need is half a tomato and a little honey. Guys, look at my face. This is the secret, guys. No acne, nothing. And I'm going to share it with you. Just get half a tomato and honey. That is it. Now get a bowl. Add some honey into the bowl. Cut your tomato into half and squeeze it in the plate containing the honey. Allow it to release its juice into the honey and allow the honey to penetrate into the tomato. After doing that, massage it on your face for about 5 minutes. After applying it on your face, let it stay there for about 15 minutes. Repeat this 3 times in a week and you will see that it's going to eliminate acne, spots, pimples, all sorts of things, dark spots. It's going to eliminate whatever you've got on your face. It's going to leave your face spotless. It's also going to eliminate dark circles under your eyes. So that is the simple natural remedy I have for you today. It is one of my facial secrets. Let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.